Then says he wants to play update 050. Wait, a scary update. What do you mean? Look, the update is different. Look, just look, bro. Look at the update, bro. Rainbow Country Balls or Tagalog Chicken Gun. Bro, look. You see? There's even no more updates. So bro, see? There's even no maps. Yeah, you even use the... I don't know what's the word. Bro, there's no new maps, bro. And that's you use the Magic Forest. See, it's just the Prodo. See? It's even the desert and forest town. Wait, I never heard this before. Oh yeah, because I'm gonna check one of my loads again. The sandbox you want. Free mod is the most proest thing. And we have been seeing the most cruel thing. And I'm gonna use my pro gun Garmy triple face. I'm gonna carrying the Mama has a bunch of crunch cake. Holy.
End the day with chocolate chip cookies and cream. Cookie Center. Caramel, Rice Krispies, and creamy white chocolate.
Get ready to impress with Nivea Men Cool Kit. Enjoy up to 72-hour protection. Nivea Men is for skin.
Sentry, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Oh my God, I'm so pro, like a 10 out of 10 pro.
Sentry, magandang hapon sa iyo.
What?
Magandang hapon po sa inyo. Kasamang
Holy, he
Sado.
killed me with that. That's the most strongest gun.
Nakapanood ka ba nung katatapos lang na or ginagawa
I'm
gawin pa yata na press
destroy
conference
you.
ng DOJ?
I hope. I wish.
Hindi ko po na
What the
kumpleto,
Sigma?
parang kaunti lang inaabutan ko po.
Alright, kasi...
Bro, he's so noob. How can he aim me?
Ang hindi ko maintindihan kasi ang sabi ni DOJ Secretary Frederick Vida, well, nandito siya sa Pilipinas, pero if Bato attempts to lead the country, doon siya huhulihin.
Hey bro, are you angry? Are you tamad?
Kaya daw nandito, hindi hinuhuli kasi under protective custody ng Senado. Una, nilift na Senado yung protective custody kay Bato eh. Pangalawa, anong difference? Ikaw, Senator, anong nakikita mong difference? Anong pagkakaiba nung pag siya umalis?
No, I cannot.
Siya,
Bro, you can sit on the chair.
dito lang siya, parang gano'n.
Ang palagay ko,
I'm gonna
ni
beat you
Secretary
up.
Vida is,
You're a hacker, bro. I cannot
lumabas,
reach you.
yung di may valid warrant.
You're in the safe
So,
place.
arrestin siya. Pero kasi yung dito, yung sa
Bro, he
Senado,
make it
ang
bigger.
pagkakaintindi ko kasi nun, out of
Hey,
respect
Tagalog
dun sa
chicken gun.
institution,
I
ayaw
hope
nilang
you like
magkikisan.
one of my
Hinahayaan
videos.
nilang magkusa.
Because I tried
Itong
one of
Senado na
Bro,
involunteer
he's-
itong si
I can use
Bato.
that one.
Pero palagay ko, ano lang yun, bibigyan lang sila ng palugit. Siguro ilang araw. But eventually, pag hindi talaga nila i-surrender, isa-serve yung warrant. Pagka sinerve yung warrant, wala nang pwedeng humadlang doon. Yan po yan.
What the?
Pero sa hinaba-haba ng prosesyon, ika nga, sa
Where is he?
dami ng nangyari, Sentry, hindi ba dapat
No, it's just a secret base, so I can live there.
Sa pag-aresto
Bro,
kay
it's just
Senador
even a base. It's so
De
ugly.
La Rosa?
Ayoko man pangunahan
Wait,
ko,
what?
pero
Sa car.
base sa impormasyon na nakalap ko, dinedevelop na yung kaso doon. Obstruction of justice yan. Kung sino-sino yung mga mananagot doon, siguro yun na lang pong mga gumagawa ng kaso ang magsasabi nun.
Kasi po, kasi di ba parang ang sa dinami-dami ng nangyari
I'm gonna
natatabunan
go
yung
with
issue
you.
na merong kinumpirma ng ICC na meron ng warrant of arrest laban kay Senador De La Rosa. So
Bro,
dapat
that's where he
ang
lives.
normal na rekurso na dapat nangyari inaresto siya pero hindi siya naaresto. So paano po tayo ngayon? Saan tayo ulit magsisimula para na matapos na tong issue na to?
Ngayon po na pinatakas nila si Bato.
Bro!
Ang
Sir, si
order is magkaroon